you guys want to do a hand warmer? I think they're going right into it. No, I think they're going right into it. The 2 dares, pretty sure. Okay. I'm the microwave taking a lot more advantage of the things that that Johnson wasn't able to. He's being a lot more aggressive with Peach, and she has trouble with the pace that Fox sets during the whole match. Gets the up smash. So I love Peach's jab though. It's so sassy. It's just front hand, back hand. Oh, flubs off the stage. We'll make it back though.
Bro, this Bieber's so playing. Bieber's so plays. He registered for this tournament, but he did not make it out. I'm not sure why. But I think he was planning on going.
I feel like Fox recovers like farther. I feel like his recovery is like farther in this stage than any other one for some reason. I think it's just like FOD.
I think it's because the side platforms are like not the side platforms are like kind of like Yoshi's, but the ceiling is like Dreamland.
Right. Because even when he goes down super low, he can just up B, and I feel like he goes up like half the whole like blast zone, and it's just like ridiculous.
Yeah, if you live in the corner, you can basically make it back without jumping.
Dang, that's ridiculous. Just Fox things.
Waits for everything. Kinda gets away with it.
Yeah, I feel like Blendtec's struggling a bit more with.
That was a good wait for that back.
Yeah. I think Blendtec's definitely struggling more with I Am the Microwave's Fox. He's a lot more aggressive.
Sometimes all you need.
Yeah. Like, I Am the Microwave's definitely setting the pace of this match, whereas Johnson was waiting for Peach's, neutral game to get through.
Gary's game controllers. I am the captain now.
The captain.
Oh, it's the reference.
I wasn't paying attention. Okay, so everybody.
Okay, so we got Blendtec looking even. Looks like he's more in trouble this match, but he's pretty. He's doing okay here. He gets up smash though. The raw up smash. Yes, we have to believe in Blendtec. Give Blendtec all your power. Give him this spirit turnip. Okay, goes for the F smash. Ooh. Oh, that hurts. Ooh, it hurts. I mean, I like shine spiking when I'm Fox, but when I see it happen, it's just part of my soul deteriorates. Yeah, and the microwave went up that match.
13% right off the bat.
Yeah, it just throws up the thing.
He didn't do anything.
Yeah, he sees the thing.
Yeah.
This is just a one-day tournament, Benji. Okay. Following up with these combos, looking a bit more comfortable on Dreamland. I think he can set the pace better on this stage.
What happened?
Not sure. I think he flubbed. I think he looked like he air dodged. I was looking away from the screen for a second. Okay, crouch cancels the down smash. Does it again.
He knows he ran into it 3 times.
Yeah.
He waited for it.
Yeah, he just waited for it. Goes right into the stage. This whole bracket looks like people are just going back and forth. One game goes to the other goes to the other. Wow. Okay, nice.
Double up there.
Good follow-ups.
Like 60%.
Really good follow-ups.
It was a terrible little late, but he couldn't really do anything with it. Close the eyes, getting good.
Nice. Blendtec looking so much more in control this game.
Oh
God.
That's
That's how how we ended the last game, and it just hurts. Hurts to watch.
There's a really scrubby down there. That looks like a Fabu down there.
I love the thing. I'm gonna be fishing for that up air right now. Gets below him. Follow-ups. Nice. Sends him off stage. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Here's the other half of the stage. Sends him off.
We got a game 3.
Pretty good. Blendtec can look a lot more in control with the pace that he can set on Dreamland. I have a feeling he's going to take him back to a really small stage here. We'll go back to Battlefield. Exactly. I'm the microwave's probably just going to go right in right here. To 30% in the first 3 seconds. The stage, of course, kind of difficult for Peach to recover when she's below the ledge, and Peach's Fox is going to shine her because Battlefield. I am the microwave being a bit more patient, but I feel like his aggressive playstyle was what was helping him win that first game. Blendtec adapting though to this Fox playstyle. Just waits for the air dodge and just raw up smashes. Nice. I'm the microwave just waiting for these punishes that Blendtec is trying to punish, but there's nothing there to punish, so.
He does
get back there. Sends him off stage there, though. So he's going to shine him off. There you go. Can do a couple more. Could have just gone off and shine. Okay, just sends him up there. Oh, man.
It's hard to play Fox. Nice forward air.
Really good. Thought he was going to go for the down there for a second. Finishes the edge guard.
I would have gotten burned. I would have been kicking myself. Blendtec is like, no, I'm just going to slap him off. It's going to be the least hype grand finals. There's nobody here anymore.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm the microwave playing the patient game now, but it's actually working out for him. That's another snipe. Yeah, last stock situation here. Oof. Crouch cancel dad smash.
He jumps into the forward.
Gosh.
I'm sure I wanted an air.
I'm not sure what's going to happen here. Oh my god.
Oh, he gets Battlefielded.
I think that's it. There you go. That was scary. That
could have been a really bad ending.
Those last couple down smashes was just painful to see. If Blendtec can take this, goes back to and the microwave. Don't touch the Battlefield. Isn't this semis though?
We would have seen an FD. This is losers semis. We didn't do best of 5 losers to quarters, but I don't want to just stop them. As much as I want to get the pro bracket out of the way, I don't want to just stop their match.
Yeah, maybe that's
because
bro.
of miscommunication.
That's bro what to do. Where is Ro even? Yo, Goldman. I feel like a smaller stage might have worked out for iamthemicrowave. The aggressive playstyle would have really worked on a smaller stage, but
I think he wants the space to move around.
right. I think yeah.
This looks
Oh wow, rated it.
because if you're in a small area and you like mess up or something, then you get a down smash. And
That's
you
true.
hate your life.
Right. Yeah, I mean, iamthemicrowave tried to play the patient game last game and kind of paid for it. I mean, either way, you should be playing more aggressively. Go in a bit more without, getting down smashed.
You could have back it there.
Forward smash.
Corner's too late. I would have neutral air. It's one of those.
Looking super commanding here.
Couldn't get the ledge fast enough. It's a drill shot up smash.
Goodness. So anyone who creates OC for the Melee community, can someone make Peach's down smash or go do the Blendtec? If someone could take like a Blendtec video and just have Fox be like spinning around in Peach's down smash, I'd really appreciate that. Something like with Melee Hell, something like that. Somebody do it. I'm not good enough to do it. That's him there.
Peach can crouch cancel any mistake in this down smash.
Yeah, we saw.
Or
Oh
you can
wow.
just stuff his approach in the air.
Okay, I think that's it.
That is it. We are now losing fighting.